On this vote, the yeas are 391, the nays are 26. Two-thirds being in the affirmative, the rules are suspended, the bill is passed, and without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid upon the table.
The United States has never accepted that Tibet was part of China since ancient times, as the CCP falsely claims. This legislation clarifies U.S. policy and highlights the unique language, religion, and culture of the Tibetan people. It directs U.S. diplomacy to push back against CCP propaganda.
The PRC has done everything it can to erode Tibetan history, language, culture, and religion. In other words, to erase the Tibetans as a people. And this bill seeks to end that. One, by explicitly recognizing that the Tibetan people are a people with a distinct religious, cultural, linguistic, and historical identity. Two, by reminding everyone concerned that the Tibetan people have a right to self-determination under international human rights law. And three, by requiring the U.S. government to actively counter the PRC's propaganda about Tibet, like the false claim that Tibet has been a part of China since ancient times, a position that the United States has never accepted.